In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up follow button on your Facebook page. If you want to add follow button in your Facebook page, open the Facebook app, log into your main account with which the page is created. After opening the Facebook account, tap on the three vertical line from the top right corner, and here select pages. Here you will find all your Facebook page created with this account. Then select the page which you want to add the follow button. Here you can see I have no follow button in this page. I want to add the follow button here. Tap on the three dot and you will find menu. From here you will find edit action button. Here in the action button list, find follow. If you find follow, select the follow button and save. If you don't find the follow button, then shake your phone and you will find the option report a technical problem. Your feedback, tap on report problem. Here you can report your feedback. Click on include in report and here describe your problem. In my case, I will write here and send your report. I have already sent, that's why I am not sending it again. It will take some time. Facebook will review your feedback, then they will apply a follow button in your page. Friends, that was our today's video. I hope you like this. Please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends also. Thanks for being with the Tutorial Lab.